Deluxe Garden Estate. It's so good to have you here with me today. So I am currently at Deluxe Garden Estate, which is located at Eke Night Mile, Enugu. And today is the physical allocation of Deluxe Garden Estate. As you can see, clients, agents, and representatives are here today to take possession of their lands, to show where their plot is and to know where their particular land or property is located. I'll be giving you a brief history of Deluxe Garden Estate, okay? Now, this estate was launched on the second week of December 2023, and guess what? By the end of January 2024, it was completely sold out. I mean, it's amazing how all our estates get sold out within a very short period of time, to show you how massive investing in Enugu is, okay? Now, it was selling on a pre-launch sales of 2.5 million naira, and the current value of this estate is 3.5 million naira. And this is why you should always take advantage of our pre-launch sales, because you'll be making a lot of profit in the shortest time possible. See, if you got any estate plots through me or through my colleagues here in Rowdy Global, be rest assured that you get 100% return on your investment. Now, before I go on, let me tell you about our latest and new estate that has been launched at Ugogonike. Okay, it is called Elite Court Estate. Now, it is located at Ugogonike, Enugu, and Ugogonike has a lot of potential and untapped developments going on there right now. Okay, now they have the Ore International Market, which is coming up. They have building material market, which is also under construction. There's also Peace University, which is around there. Now, the estate is very close to Nsuka Express Road, making it very valuable. This is amazing and beautiful. Now, all this boosts the value of estates and property in that particular estate. Okay, now this estate is currently selling for 3.3 million, all prices inclusive, on a pre-launch sale. Now, the actual price of land here there is 4 million naira, but we are running a pre-launch sale of 3.3 million naira. You'll be getting your deed of assignment, power of attorney, and registered survey for free. So you can buy as many plots as possible and take advantage of the first-time buyer in that location and make massive profits just by buying into this estate. I mean, this is amazing. It is beautiful what is going on in Enugu State. So take advantage of this opportunity. Make sure you don't miss out on this massive investment that is going on in Enugu today. Go ahead and call me or chat me up on WhatsApp on the number that is displayed on my screen if you can't get me on call, or you can also message me on my email number that is also displayed on the screen for more details and information concerning all these estates I just mentioned, and to make a purchase on them. Okay, same goes to Grand Omega City, which is behind Centenary City. I mean, that estate is massive and it's in a well-developed area. There is a lot of potential there too. The price went from 9 million naira to 15 million naira in just 1 month. The first buyers and movers of that estate made 6 million naira profit in less than 1 month. It's amazing to show you how fast development is going on in Enugu. All right, so make sure you don't miss out on it, on anything. Now, let me not bore you with my too much talk and seriousness. All right, just chat me up on WhatsApp for more information on these estates and to make your purchase as soon as possible, because the prices will be going up very soon, and you can buy as many plots as possible and get your free documents on all of them. Okay, now let's go and enjoy the allocation and see what allocation or how allocation is being done here in Enugu. This is going to be amazing. Congratulations to all our new landowners here in Enugu State. Let's go!